here's what we're working with today. We got the 2016 ST. Pretty nice, pretty nice. She's pretty minty, low mileage too. Oh yeah, she's dirty. More little planes. Alright. Okay. I had to swap. I had to like do some weird funky. But we're gonna leave the engine on. Let's come over here. Yeah, you're okay. How's this doing? 8%. Okay. You did good. And let's just get you fucking turned. Did it just turn off? Oh, it just turned off. Okay, cool. Sweet. We'll just unpress the... Oh my god, there's a ton of... Jesus Christ! Get off my fucking car! That's probably not... Okay, we'll just go over here to the passenger side and just throw this on the floor. Just kind of... Oh, that's awesome. All right.